and welcome back to Adventures in Camping. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to work on the Rokon some. Stick with me and we'll go right back to it. Today I've got something a little bit different. We're revisiting the Rokon to show you a hack, tip or trick, I guess is what you would call it. Well, if you're like me, you're probably trying to save a penny anywhere you can. Well, I have an issue with my 97 Rokon where I get a vapor lock in the gas tank because of the cap. It doesn't vent well enough. I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that. Stick with me. Okay, so if any of you are like me and you have one of these caps that has this horrible venting hole, I have a modification for that. So let's get to it. So first of all, we have that little cap. I'm going to pluck that seal out of here. Okay, so remove that. Okay, and now you see what it looks like inside. Okay, all right, it's not going to look like that's for long. Okay, so that's how it looks inside now. Now, let me show you what I'm going to do. Now, the way I look at it is I would have to buy a cap anyway, so why not take a chance and see if I can't put that off a little bit. Okay. And now let's see if I can get this in here better. Well, it seems to be doing better. See if I can't screw that in. I'm going to have a wrench. Now I cut a 1/2 inch hole. I had to clean it out just a little bit, so maybe a 9/16 would do the job. How are we doing here? Ooh, look at that. Is that not sexy or what? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me say that right. Is that not sexy or what? Now, look in here. I'll drop this neoprene washer right on there. And this, okay, see this little thing is pipe thread, okay? Well, most of your lamp fittings are pipe thread also, so you can use a pipe thread nut on that. And I put this right on here and tighten that little puppy up. And there we have it. There you go. Oh, I know, somebody has thought about that. Because of this thing here. Don't need that anymore. That's trash. So let's put this seal. Wait a minute, I'm not done with this. And I want to make sure that I have plenty of vent hole. I think that ought to do it. Not the prettiest hole in the world, but you know. Now, I'll put these back together. I guess it helped. I put it in the right direction. Okay. Look at that. See? Now, show you what I do. This tube is from a bug sprayer that I had to get rid of. The pump didn't work anymore. Well, guess what? It just so happens that that fits. Golly, Sergeant Carter! So now, there we go. And tuck that puppy down wherever it seems like that's a good place. Got a little spot between the throttle cable and the gas tank. I think that'll do great. So I'll just put that right down there. And that lets it hang right down here. Whoops. Right out of the way, and there she is. There we have it, up and running and not stalling. All I needed was a vent line on it, and I didn't have to order a special one from Rokon, and neither do you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I do have a little bit of a mix between Rokon and camping videos, but that's just me. Expect that. Please subscribe, hit the little, I think it's in that corner, subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up. This is for you Rokon owners, and anybody else that is wondering about a Rokon, this is a quick, easy, cheap fix if you buy an older Rokon that has one of those horribly vented gas caps. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?